T minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of the Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
Falcon is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Power and telemetry nominal. Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q.
And some good call-outs from SpaceX as this Falcon 9 rocket, the final orbital launch from Vandenberg this calendar year, is now well underway. We're coming up on a series of a few events in fairly rapid succession. You may hear a call-out for the Merlin vacuum chill down.
Impact chill has started.
There you go. That's in preparation for the final of this trio of events that's coming up. We'll have first stage main engine cutoff at T plus 2 minutes and 26 seconds. That'll be followed a few seconds thereafter by stage separation. Then the aforementioned Merlin vacuum engine will ignite at about T plus 2 minutes and 36 seconds. After all of that, the payload fairings will be deployed just before the 3-minute mark.
Main engine cutoff.
Stage separation confirmed.
Impact ignition.
All good callouts from SpaceX, good visuals from the Falcon 9's onboard cameras. Seeing those hypersonic grid fins deploy as we're now less than 10 seconds away from the payload fairings being deployed.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Good call from SpaceX, and those Starlink satellites now exposed to the vacuum of space for the first time on this mission. You can see just a hint of sunset above the Merlin vacuum engine's engine nozzle. Now a little more than 3.5 minutes into this mission. Those puffs that you're seeing, as you can actually just see the coastline drifting out of view in the upper left-hand corner of the left-hand box on your screen. Those puffs are the cold gas thrusters on the Falcon 9's first stage that help adjust the attitude of the vehicle or its positioning. That booster is approaching its apogee here. As you can see with the telemetry data, likely top off right about here at about 116 kilometers in altitude. Will now start to begin its descent towards the drone ship. Of course, I Still Love You, which is positioned out in the waters of the Pacific Ocean. Now beginning its descent at 115 kilometers above the Earth's surface. If successful, this will be the 115th booster landing on this particular drone ship. T+5 minutes, 5 seconds and counting into this mission. We're a little less than a minute away at this point until the first stage entry burn begins, when SpaceX will ignite 3 of the Merlin engines on the Falcon 9 booster stage, beginning to dramatically slow the vehicle down. Taking a look up through the inner stage on the left and back down towards the base of the booster, looking in between 2 of those hypersonic grid fins. Still appears to be a nominal burn on both, or on the Falcon 9 second stage at this point. We'll see a reignition of those engines on the first stage here momentarily.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
Good call on the start of the entry burn here. Lasts about 26 seconds in total.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
With the conclusion of the first stage entry burn, we're now looking towards the start of the landing burn here, just a minute away.
Stage 1 FTS is saved.
This Falcon booster once again is looking to complete its 16th landing after a successful 16th liftoff from Vandenberg Space Force Base. Previously flew such missions as Transporter 11, SDA-OA for the Space Development Agency, as well as 12 previous Starlink flights.
Stage 2 FTS is saved.
Stage 1 transonic.
First stage traveling slower than the speed of sound, that call for FTS being saved, no longer needing the flight termination system at this stage in the mission.
Stage 1 landing burn. Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And a good landing for a 16th time for booster B-1075.
Impact shutdown.